Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Aloy World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to install packages in Jupyter Interactive Computing environment with Python. So for this case I will go to the Python work shell. So here are the things. Now I want to install any kinds of package. So how, let's get. So I want to install NumPy this. So let's check how. So here I will click here the insert a new cell below. Check. This is the pip show NumPy. So here before that I have to do this sign. This is this. Let's check what has been revealed here. See here the NumPy version none. So now I want to install. So before that I have to give this pip install NumPy. It has been working or not. See, this thing has been working. When it will see require already satisfied this. So how? So this is the command I have given here, the pinned np. See, this version has been here. So in this case, in this scenario, we can install the thing. So in this way we can. Let's take another thing. Now I will do the matplotlib. So I want to install this thing. So how? This, and click here. It has been working. When the thing has been finished, see that as like a book. See, require already finished. Now check. So how? Let's check matplot, as because I have to import the package. So how? I just have to given the thing, same thing, import. First of all import, then print. Let's do. See, the version has been away. So in this way we can do this thing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.